What's going on, everyone? Got a 2016 Kia Soul today. I'm going to show you how to replace the remote key fob battery. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and flip open the hard key. And if we look right here, this panel that's right here on the bottom, we're going to be taking that off. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver. And right here in this spot here, we're just going to kind of pry at it, okay? And it should pop up. See how it's starting to come up right there? Like that. Let me just take it off. Alright, you can see that the battery is right here. Small flathead screwdriver, and just, I like to pry out this one, probably right at the bottom right here. Pull this guy out, okay. Alright, so I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032, and you're going to have the positive. There's a little positive sign right here on the front of it. It's going to be facing outwards. Slide it in here and it should lock in like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. This will be a link to take you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery. Just get the cover, snap it on, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. I hope to see you again in another video.